Well, 1,000 club-goers turned the silent squares of Budapest into defiant sound system. They threw down a dance for freedom outside the Hungarian parliament, where they protested harsh police drug raids and the threat to nightlife culture. Watch this next report.
I don't think that if a few people smoke a joint at a party, it is then necessary to terrorize and harass young people having fun. If I could send a message to the government, I would say that if they want to gain young voters, then this is not the way to do it, but by being nice to them and understanding.
We should learn from the examples of Europe, how they dealt with this, what they came up with, and we should make professional decisions. I think we should raise our voice that this present solution is not a way that works.